Hey y'all, it's Meso. I've been waiting on you, so come on into my kitchen where today we're going to be making a delicious southern style peach cobbler. Thing about it is it's very easy to make. It's a lazy day kind of dessert. Let's take a look. Tell me if you like this. What do you think about it? Looking good? Oh yeah, this is what we need to make it. So I have here some nutmeg. I have some self-rising flour. And I have a half a stick of butter. Oh, who am I kidding? Butter, baby, butter. I have here some sugar. I have some good old Watkins vanilla flavoring. And this is not Watkins, but I have some lemon emulsion. Now, you don't have to go out and buy this. If you don't have it, just use lemon flavoring. But it's real good. These are my pie crust. I have 2 deep dish pie crusts. And right here, baby, these are my fresh peaches. This is 2 pounds of peaches. If you don't have them, you can always use canned peaches. 2 cans of 29-ounce size peaches. Okay, I'm over here washing, peeling, and slicing up my peaches. Take a look, take a look. Okay, this is about the size that you want them. We're going to go ahead and start making this cobbler, baby. So I'm taking my flour. Now, this is 1/4 cup of flour. I'm not going to use quite all of it, but I'm going to put this flour on my peaches. I'm going to come back with my lemon emulsion. Remember, this is just like flavoring. I'm going to use about 1/2 teaspoon of this lemon emulsion. Smells so good. I'm coming back with my Watkins vanilla flavoring. Top of the line, Cadillac of the flavorings. Gonna make it so good. I'm putting in 1/2 teaspoon of the flavoring. I got some nutmeg here, just gonna shake in some nutmeg. Put in how much you want. Whatever you like nutmeg, put as much as you want. I have some ground cinnamon. Same thing here. You can put in as much as you want. If you don't like cinnamon, don't put in any. And I got some ginger, baby. I'm going to put some ginger in here. It's going to give it a nice little flavoring. I've got some half and half. Now, this is fat-free because it just happened to be what I had and all that I had. I'm going to go ahead and use it. It'll be fine. You can use canned milk. You can use refrigerator milk. You can use whatever kind of milk product you want to. It will be fine. This is a cup of half and half. And I'm just kind of getting this together, baby. Yeah. Got to get it together. It's all standing apart. You know, these peaches and flour and nutmeg and stuff is kind of social distancing. I got to get it together. I'm bringing them all together, just kind of stirring it, making sure everything gets touched. I'm going to set it aside. And while that's setting aside, we'll take a look at the pie crust. Let's get them ready. This is real simple. It goes real quick, y'all. So my pie crusts have been sitting outside of the refrigerator. They were frozen at first, but they've been sitting out a long time under these lights. They've gotten very warm. So I didn't want them quite this warm because sometimes when they get this warm, they sometimes don't handle as well, but that's okay. Let's just turn this over. Now, if it wasn't so warm, this shell would fall right out of the pan. But it's very warm, so it's not. So I'm going to have to coax it out of the pan. Come on. I'm going to have to coax it out, y'all. Come on, baby. Come on out. Come on. Come on. There you go. There you go. But it's all right. Holes and all, it doesn't make a difference because we're going to put this back together. If I had to, I could get my rolling pin out and roll it together. But I'm not going to do that. It's going to work. So I have some butter flavored spray oil. I'm using an 8x8 glass cooking dish. You don't have to use glass. You can use whatever cooking dish you have, and you can use whatever spray that you have. It's going to be hard to mess this one up. So I'm going to go ahead and begin to take this pie crust. Broken apart as it is, it's not a problem, not a problem. I'm going to go ahead and start putting this into my pie dish. If it tears apart, just put it in by pieces. because you're going to see how we're going to put it together. Gonna pick this big piece in, just throw it up and just throw it in. Now I am going to start putting this gal together. Oh yeah. This thing has fallen apart, looking like Humpty Dumpty. That's all right. Meso can put Humpty Dumpty together again. Yeah, I love this. I like puzzles and I like quilting, and so I really just love this. I don't mind at all. Just pressing it together everywhere you see a hole. You know, if you had some part of the dough that fell out, pick it up and just put it into anywhere you see a hole or a thin spot. Start to press it together. Mine was warm, and so mine has a lot of moisture in it. If you let yours stay out, it gets sort of dry, or if it's been in the freezer a long time and it's sort of dry, wet your hands when you do this. Wet your hands with warm water and just begin to press, and it'll fit. It'll go back together. And this is fine. Like I say, this goes in minutes. I'm taking a little longer because I sort of enjoy playing with this dough. But the idea here is just to fill it all in. Fill it all in, baby. It's going to be good. Then I'm going to take it and put it into the oven because I don't want it to be mushy at the bottom. I want it to be sort of dry at the bottom. I want my crust to be dry. If it's mushy, then all that liquid will just soak in and make it even more mushy. So I'm putting this into a preheated 350-degree oven. Going to keep it in there about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to come back to my peaches, and I realize I didn't put my sugar in before, but that's okay. It's not a problem. I'm going to go ahead and get my sugar in. This is a 2-cup measure. I'm putting in just a smidgen over a cup. I don't like mine extremely sweet, but I do like it sweet, but still a little bit of tartness. The lemon is going to help with that. The taste of the peaches are going to be able to come through. So I don't want mine terribly sweet. And just mix, mix, mix. Now I have gotten that crust out of the oven. You see, the top is just cooked, kind of, it's not soft. And so it's not going to let those juices come through. You don't want to make it crispy. You don't want to cook it all the way. Just a few minutes. Let me go ahead and get my peaches down in over this crust because I can't wait. I am salivating because this is going to be good. It's going to be good, y'all. I can tell. You know, I think I could use a little bit more of the half and half, the milk in here. This would be okay, but I think I want a little bit more juice. Let me spread this out and see what I got. Yeah. Okay, this looks good. Want it a little bit more moist. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add, additionally, I'm going to add a half cup more of half and half. I just poured it in over the peaches. I didn't try to mix it or anything. Just pour it in. It's going to be fine. You will see. I took that other crust. Remember, there were 2 in the container. I took that other crust and I just cut it into strips, and now I'm putting those strips. I'm arranging those strips right on top of the pie. Oh, it's going to work. This is going to be good. Y'all going to be like me, so you work magic. This ain't magic. This is just in the kitchen goodness. You can do this too. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. They'll think you're a kitchen rock star. They'll be like, my mama can make anything. That's what they think about me. She can make anything and make it taste good. You know what, y'all? They're kind of right. Now here, I have that half a stick of butter. I've melted it, and I'm just going to drizzle it all on top of the crust. More goodness. Here I have 1 teaspoon of sugar, sprinkle of nutmeg, and a sprinkle of cinnamon, and I'm going to just sprinkle it on top of this. But wait a minute. I'm going to just shake it on top of this crust. Shake, shake, shake. Yeah. Look at that, y'all. I'm putting it back into the preheated 350-degree oven for approximately 30 minutes or until it looks brown and bubbly. Like that, y'all. Just like that. Oh, man. How's it looking to you? Oh, it is so hot. It just came out. You see that the juices are bubbling up? Oh, yeah. Those juices in there are hot like volcanic lava. And in fact, if you put this in your mouth right now, it would be just like volcanic lava. It would burn your little mouth off. Oh, but just look at that. Ooh, it smells so good. I wish y'all could smell it. Come on, all this technology. YouTube should do something about that. I've got my fork and I'm just tapping it because I want you guys to just see how my crust is crispy. Tapping is good, but I need to do something else. Let's see. Where's my Meso? I got me a bowl, y'all. Got me a bowl. Got me a big old spoon. Know what I'm gonna do? Somebody's gotta taste this. Somebody needs to verify that this is good. Somebody gotta certify this cobbler is good. Well, nobody here but me. I wish some of you guys could do this for me. Come on, somebody needs to help me out. But since nobody's here but me, I guess I have to do the job. I'll take it on. Look at it. Look at those juices running out. Look, y'all. Now, if I had let it sit cool, it would have set up better than this, and it wouldn't have run out. It would have been more tight, I guess I should say. The juices would have remained in the cobbler. But this is fine. I wanted y'all to see see what it do. Want y'all to see what it do. Don't that good? Don't it good, y'all? Ooh. Now we get to the good part. You see how hot it is? You see how it steamed up my bowl? This is piping hot. Lava, I tell you, lava. But I'm gonna do it for y'all. Y'all need somebody to taste this. Y'all want to know if it's good before you try it at home. I'm gonna have to do it. Look at the steam coming from this. Looky. Oh, looky, Miss Cookie. Look at how it glistens. Look. Take a little bite. Take a little smell, a little sniff. Something. Oh, God, it's so hot. It's so hot. But it's A-OK, y'all. It's a 10. A100. Look at that. Now, these shots right here are so unnecessary. I just want you to be motivated. I want you to just see what you can do. Give this to your family. Let them know. You got a queen up in the kitchen. Guys, I appreciate you for coming by, checking on me to see what I was doing today, because you knew that Meso would be throwing down, and I hope you're not disappointed. If you like my videos, I want you to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell until the parentheses come around the bell. That way you'll be notified every time I put up a new video. I want you to share my videos wherever you're active on social media. Give me a big old thumbs up and leave me some comments, because I love to hear from you guys. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate you. You'll never know how much. Be kind to somebody. Show a lot of love. Be safe out there. Bye-bye, guys. Till next time.